If you're looking into Retouch AI, you're in for a treat. In this Retouch AI review, we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software that's already catching a lot of attention. Stick around until the end because I've got some insights that could help you decide if this is the right tool for you. Retouch AI is a game-changing software that promises to streamline your photo editing process with the power of AI. But what sets it apart from the rest of the pack? First off, it's incredibly easy to use, and that's a big plus for both beginners and seasoned photo editors. You don't need to be a Photoshop expert to use it effectively. The AI technology here does the heavy lifting, whether you're dealing with complex backgrounds or fine-tuning details in your portraits. What's really remarkable is its speed. Retouch AI uses cutting-edge machine learning to process images in a matter of seconds, something that could take manual editing hours. Whether you're a photographer, content creator, or digital marketer, this software can save you loads of time that you can redirect into more creative tasks or simply boost productivity. Now, let's talk about the quality. Retouch AI doesn't just automate the process, it gives you high-quality results. If you've ever used AI tools that leave your images looking overly processed or fake, you'll be pleased to know that Retouch AI strikes a perfect balance. Your images retain their natural look while benefiting from enhanced details, sharpness, and adjustments, thanks to its sophisticated algorithms. Retouch AI also offers a variety of features that cater to different editing needs. You've got the standard tools, like background removal, but it goes further with more advanced options. The AI can help you enhance skin tones, adjust lighting, and even give your photos a consistent feel by applying uniform edits across multiple images. This is a great feature for marketers who need to maintain a cohesive look across their content. Another key advantage is its integration with other platforms. Whether you're using it on your desktop or mobile, Retouch AI works seamlessly with your favorite editing tools. If you're someone who already uses platforms like Photoshop or Lightroom, this integration means you can streamline your workflow without having to jump through hoops. The software's flexibility is also worth noting. It's not just for professionals in the photography industry. Content creators, e-commerce businesses, and even social media influencers can use Retouch AI to make their photos stand out. The ability to create polished, eye-catching images with minimal effort is something everyone in the digital space can appreciate. One important thing to mention is that you can try Retouch AI for free. Just head to the first link in the description below to get started. Now, this is crucial. While the software is impressive, it's not magic. You'll still need to understand your basic editing needs and apply a little creativity. But with its AI-driven power, you'll definitely spend less time at your desk. And if you're interested in exploring other AI tools, don't forget to check out the recommended software list in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've curated a list of what I believe are the best ones to help you with your work. Retouch AI is a solid addition to the world of AI-powered photo editing tools. It offers powerful features, easy use, and the ability to save valuable time. So if you're ready to elevate your images without the heavy lifting, I'd highly recommend giving Retouch AI a try. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial and let me know what you think in the comments.